If you are already a student in Paris or if you are planning to study in Paris, listen carefully. There's a way to pay a lot less for your Navigo Pass, but this is not for all students. It's only for people in Île-de-France who have CSS Sans participation financière and then apply for Solidarité transport. So what is CSS in simple words? It's extra French health cover for people on a low income. It can be given free or with a small monthly contribution. For this transport discount, the key version is CSS without financial contribution. And this can seriously save money. In 2026, a normal Navigo Mois all zones cost 90.80 euro, which is approximately 9,684 rupees. But the Solidarité 75% version is 22.70 euro, which is approximately 2,421 rupees. That's about 68 euros saved in 1 month, which is nearly 7,263 rupees. Pretty huge if you commute a lot. Who can apply? Not all students. This is only for people in Île-de-France who already have CSS Sans participation financière. If that's you, you may be able to get the 75% Solidarité discount. One important thing though, it only works on Pass Navigo, not on Navigo Découverte, Navigo Annuel or Imaginaire. The process is actually simple. Step 1. Check if you already have CSS Sans participation financière. If not, apply for CSS through your Amélie account or through SAPAN. Step 2. Go to the Solidarity Transport website and check your eligibility. Step 3. Apply online. Step 4. Once your rights are approved, load them onto your Navigo Pass before buying the reduced weekly or monthly pass. This can make a big difference when you're commuting to university, internships, or part-time jobs across Paris and nearby areas. Travel costs add up really fast, so before you start paying full price every month, check whether you qualify for CSS first. And if you are planning your student life in France and want more practical tips like this, follow Navigo Mois.